Okay, just finished right here working with some corn starters. And I mean, these cicadas are everywhere, folks. They're all in my garden, all in my apple trees. And if I shake the trees, you see them flying around. See, they're everywhere. But here's what I got started. Look at this. Now you tell me that this is not impressive. Corn, lots of it. Now what I started earlier is in the back row. Sun shines up this way, so it comes down this way. And here it is. Everything is right there. These were just put in today. Started from, seeds, sweet corn. And what started today was put in front. That's how it is. 4 in each bag. I'm gonna water them today when I come out. I give them a little bit of water just now, but I'm gonna get a deep water on them. There we go. Called eating right, folks. And they will be fed with the best foods. And that's how it's gonna be done. Corn and totes. And if this works out for me the way I want it to, what's going to happen is this will be the way I'll do corn from here on out. Because this was just easy. I don't have to worry about weeds. I don't have to worry about whether that soil is right. I just mix my soil mix, put them in the totes, drill a hole from the sides, and if we have big rain like we had last 3 days, it's just going to drain back out. It's never going to overflow. And right now I just fed them with a little bit of blood meal, and so they're looking good. And I'll keep you posted later.